Hey everyone, welcome back to English Vedas. Today we are diving into a question that confuses many English learners. What is the difference between must and have to? They both mean something is necessary, right? But there are subtle differences in usage, and I am going to make it super clear for you. Must is personal, whereas have to is impersonal. We always use must to express our feelings. For example, you must help her, she is away from her family. It expresses that you feel that it is good to help her just because she is away from her family. Or, the grass has grown tall, I must cut it. Have to, as I said, is impersonal and we use it for facts. For example, he has to wear an identity card at school because it is mandatory to wear the identity card to school. Or I must wear my car seat belts, or I must put on my car seat belts. It's a good book. You must read it. Robin must see the doctor today. He is sick. We use must to talk about the present or the future. The speaker thinks that it is necessary to do something and shows urgency. You must follow traffic rules. I must call my father. We use have to for external obligation or requirement. Have to questions. Why did you have to go to the bank? What do I have to do to get a government job? Do you have to work on Sundays? For past, we can use words like yesterday, last week, last month, last year. For example, we had to see the dentist yesterday. They had to walk home yesterday afternoon. They missed their school bus. Now let us look at these two sentences. I have to cut the grass. I have got to cut the grass. They both mean the same thing, but in the first one, adverb of frequency is used, that is, have to. Next time you're wondering whether to say I must finish my homework or I have to finish my homework, think about where that pressure is coming from, you or someone else. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below which one you use more often. Thank you. And do not